Here we are, we're doing this new build here for a high-end customer of ours, a 9,000 square foot house. We're starting off looking at the wine room here. We're gonna put a wine cooling system in here to cool that wine down. Moving into the mechanical room in the basement, we got two Daikin ducted systems here. We're gonna have modulating furnaces paired with the Daikin Fit product. Should be a very nice setup, give them very nice comfort. Here's a view of our main trunks that will be serving both the basement and the main floor. Two separate systems here, and little shot of our branch ductwork going in here. We're ready for rough inspection at this point. Going upstairs to the upstairs system. This system was installed in the attic. It only serves the upstairs floor. Another modulating furnace from Daikin paired with the Daikin Fit system. For heating and cooling. We did heat pumps on all three systems. It's zoned, so the primary bedroom gets its own thermostat, and then the rest of the upstairs gets its other thermostat and independent controls. Here we're looking at one of the two AprilAire units. They have a huge kitchen hood in this house, so they had a need for 900 CFMs of AprilAire. And the cool thing is with these AprilAire systems, they are heated as well and fan powered, so makes it for a really nice setup for this homeowner. Whenever that kitchen hood turns on, the AprilAire comes in and it makes sure that we're not dumping in cold air.